is hard start problems called engine. A lot of times the problem is in full injector O-rings seals. What happened? There is some scratch or something what take fuel from line to engine sump. There is the scratch on seal ring. This is the problem for hard start called engine. Engine starts, shut down after 1 second, then you need to crank about 10 to 15 seconds and then it starts up and go engine hard. Yeah, that's the problem. And of course there is damage in head, engine head.